stuff. In the last video I showed you how to make Granny's house. I did exactly the same thing that I did with Granny's house, where I used the cardboard and the triangles. I covered it in newspaper, ready to paint. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. With Little Red Riding Hood's house, I've decided I want to make it look like brickwork, so I'm going to do just a background colour and let that dry. And then I'll do a brown roof. Okay, the paint has dried, so I'm going to do the brickwork now on Little Red Riding Hood's house. I've got an old sponge that I've cut up, or you could cut up potato and do potato printing. Make sure you get a grown-up to do any cutting like that. I've got my red brick, and I'm going to dip my sponge in there, and then I will make some brickwork. Okay, and then when I do the next row, I find the middle of that brick look, and then you end up with a brickwork house like this. Okay, so that's the brickwork done on that house. While you're waiting for your paint to dry, you can start to make things to cut out and stick on. So I'm going to start to do some little windows and the front doors, and you can start to make things for inside the house as well. If you've got any catalogues at home, you could have a look through them and start cutting out things like TVs and sofas for you to stick on inside. Okay, and then once the paint is all dry, we can just cut them out and stick them on. Now we have our houses and our forest, we're ready to start telling the story of Little Red Riding Hood. If you click the link here, it will take you to a very special story. Enjoy.